Hi guys, I'm here with Andrew Fisher of Simplify Home Loans, and one of the things that's really big right now is getting buyers negotiations for buy down rates. So we're able to ask a seller or even a potential builder to buy down your interest rate so that you can save a lot of money on your monthly payment. Can you tell us a little bit about what that looks like, Andrew, on different types of loans, and also maybe even paying off other debts?
Yeah, so the great part with seller concessions is depending on the loan program, you can get a certain amount from the seller in the form of a credit to cover closing costs. This can be anything from buying down your interest rate so you can have a lower interest rate instead of what's par for the market, paying some of your closing costs such as the appraisal fee, home inspection, prepaid taxes, insurance, even pay your HOA up to a year. Now where it varies loan program to loan program is on the VA, there is no max, so the VA's kind of rule of thumb is if it makes sense. I've seen up to 8.5% from the seller to use towards closing costs, paying down even your credit cards at closing to qualify. With the FHA loan, the max, same thing, is 6%. So again, if you get 6% from the seller, you can pay some of your closing costs, buy down your rate, and if you had to pay down the $1,000 credit card to qualify, pay that down as well. And for conventional programs, that varies a little bit on your down payment. So if you're putting less than 10% down, you're limited to 3%. If you're putting 10 to 25% down, you're limited to 6%. And if you're putting 25% down or more, you're limited to 9%. And that is for a primary purchase. On investment, it's always 2% from the seller. But yeah, 3, 6, 9 for conventional, FHA is 6%, and VA kind of varies, but again, healthy medium, I've seen up to about 8.5%.
That's awesome. Well, guys, if this is something that sounds interesting to you, save you some money, help you pay off some debt, and get into a home, let us know. We'd love to be able to help you out. Thanks.